Let's quickly set up and run a node on Dria. Dria is a universal execution layer for AI. So this is going to be doing a ton of the computing work, and we're going to receive instant rewards by running our node via Nodes.Garden. First step, as always, is making sure that you've logged in or signed up to Nodes.Garden. Then we are depositing on our Nodes.Garden account. So we just click deposit, and for this node, you need a maximum of $10. Next, we need to choose the chain that we're depositing on. So let's do Arbitrum mainnet, and I'll throw some ETH on there, and I just hit pay. Now I've already funded my wallet. I would hit confirm. You would do the same thing. Great. Now we're going to select the project, which is Dria, and it's a compute node. Open that up. And in order to buy, we have to scroll down to the bottom and put in our 15% discount code, Clint, K-L-I-N-T, and that will get us 15% off. We hit purchase and then OK. Now, it will take a while for our node to come online. We can keep an eye on the notifications section. We can also go over to nodes, and you will see the states or status of your individual nodes. And I am hopping into Dria because my node is online. It can take up to 72 hours, just be aware. In order to run this node, we've been given a secret seed phrase for a unique wallet, and all we have to do is reveal that and open up a new MetaMask wallet. So I'm going to quickly demonstrate what that looks like. So first, I click to reveal, then I'm copying the entire seed phrase, copy. Now I'm adding this into a new MetaMask wallet. Clicking on MetaMask, add a account or hardware wallet. I'm adding the secret phrase, paste, import wallet. And there we are. Now I'm going to rename this so I don't lose track of it and it's easily found later. Account details, Dria, check. Now I've renamed my wallet and I'm good to go. Next, we're going to log into the Dria website. Check the description for the link down below. I hit login and we're using the new wallet that we just added. So if I check real quick, I can see Dria is the right wallet. So I'm going to hit login, connect. Confirm, and now I'm logged in. I can see that my node status is active, which is fantastic, and I'm already earning points. This is amazing. So I'm good to go here. I can continue to complete tasks, but for now, I'm super happy. Remember, you can go to Nodes.Garden and you can continue to purchase more nodes, add them, and stack them on top of the Dria compute node. You can do all sorts of other nodes by going through the existing projects that are here. Remember to like and subscribe on the channel, and thanks for watching.